Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start with a 5-minute breathing reset to calm your nervous system. Sit upright with feet flat and shoulders relaxed for posture support. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds to lengthen out the breath. Keep your mouth closed and breathe through the nose to engage the diaphragm properly. Repeat this breathing cycle for 5 minutes and notice mental clarity returning after the third round. After breathing, open your eyes slowly and scan your body for remaining tension. Use a 25-minute focus block followed by a 5-minute break to maintain energy. Choose one clear task and write the first 3 action steps down on paper. Set a visible timer and commit to working without interruptions for the full 25 minutes. Turn off notifications and place your phone face down or in another room during the block. After the timer ends, stand, stretch for 2 minutes, and breathe to reset before the next block. Repeat 2 to 4 blocks for a productive session throughout your day. Create a dedicated workspace with minimal clutter and a clear surface to reduce distractions. Hydrate with 250 ml water and avoid heavy meals right before focus work to prevent sluggishness. Sit with a supportive chair and keep your screen at eye level to reduce physical strain. Schedule short walks of 5 to 15 minutes to refresh attention between sessions and boost blood flow. Use consistent start times and a simple ritual to cue your brain that focus begins now each time. Review daily wins for 2 minutes to build positive momentum and clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.